Are you ready to step into the world of luxury on wheels? We have curated with you the top 10 most expensive motorhomes and RVs to cater to the extravagant tastes of wealthy travelers. From marble floors to elevators, these vehicles are sure to leave you in awe. So sit back and get ready to embark on a journey of ultimate comfort and experience a unique perfect getaway. Hey there! Welcome to High-End Use. Today, we will explore the most extravagant and luxurious things in the world. We have a list that will make your jaw drop. The top 10 motorhomes and RVs that only the super rich can afford. From mini mansions on wheels to 5-star hotels that you can park anywhere, these vehicles are the definition of luxury. So grab your popcorn, sit back, and let's start exploring. Number 10. Integra Cornerstone. If you're searching for an RV that exudes style, workmanship, and luxury, look no further than the Integra Cornerstone. This custom-designed motorhome is built with only the finest materials, boasting a breathtaking interior with ultra-luxurious features. With its high-class quartz countertop, handcrafted hardwood cabinets, and porcelain-tiled floors, the Integra Cornerstone rivals any high-end home. The kitchen is equipped with all of the latest premium appliances, including an induction cooktop, a 24-inch dishwasher, and a stunning single-bowl granite sink. At the opposite end of the vehicle's spacious interior, you'll discover a cozy king-size bedroom suite with a stylish ensuite and a generous walk-in closet. In addition to its exceptional craftsmanship and architectural beauty, the vehicle is equipped with smart TVs, Bose sound systems, and a LED-lit fireplace. With a starting price of $570,000, the Integra Cornerstone is the epitome of luxury travel and will undoubtedly provide the ultimate travel experiences for discerning travelers. Number 9. Integra Coach Cornerstone. Get ready to indulge in the ultimate combination of luxury and style with the Integra Coach Cornerstone. This RV is a masterpiece that has been crafted with meticulous attention to detail, providing you with a comfortable and spacious living space and a stunning interior decor that will leave you in awe. You will feel right at home sleeping on the plush and king-size bed and making use of the high-end bathroom amenities that are at your fingertips. As you hit the road, the impressive exterior of the Integra Coach Cornerstone will make a statement wherever you go, setting you apart from other RVs. The starting price of $700 is definitely worth it for the lavish experience that this mobile paradise has to offer. Be the envy of everyone as you travel in absolute style. With all of the modern features and amenities that this RV has to offer, your journey will be a truly luxurious adventure that you will never forget. Number 8. Concord Centurion 1200. Are you dreaming of owning a motorhome that can provide you with the highest level of luxury? Look no further than the Concord Centurion 1200. This single-family motorhome is based on a Mercedes Actros truck and features a modular chassis with an underground garage that can accommodate your smart car or any suitable vehicle. The spacious interior is designed with accentuated design and sensual style elements, which radiate a unique sense of harmony. The cabinets are divided into individual elements to open up the room, making it look even more luxurious. The Concord Centurion 1200 is equipped with a shower, dishwasher, coffee machine, heated floor, roof and sidewalls, and a surveillance system with 16 cameras. The back of the vehicle has a lit garage for utmost convenience. This luxurious motorhome has everything you could possibly need to enjoy your travels in comfort and style. Besides starting at $750,000, it's a great investment for someone looking to enjoy the best of the best when it comes to mobile living. Number 7. Country Coach Magna 630. If you're a high-class traveler seeking opulence and refinement on the road, the Country Coach Magna 630 is the perfect motorhome for you. This extravagant vehicle offers a luxuriously spacious living area, a commodious kitchen, and a cozy queen-size bed to ensure maximum comfort during your travels. The skilled artisans use only the highest quality materials to construct this RV, promising a long-lasting investment. When you step inside, the stunning granite floors, countertops, and beautifully crafted woodwork will take your breath away. With a starting price of $1 million, this luxurious RV is worth every penny and more. Indulge in the opulence of the Country Coach Magna 630 and experience the ultimate luxury travel. Number 6. Newmar King Air. The Newmar King Air, which is named after a Monaco city-state, is a stunning motorhome model constructed with the finest materials. Every corner of this magnificent machine exudes luxury, from the sleek tile flooring and plush leather sofas to the top-of-the-line leather furniture. The interior of this palace on wheels is incredibly spacious, making you feel like royalty as you relax in your home away from home. With a powerful 605 horsepower Cummins engine and automatic traction control system, prepare to experience a smooth ride as you explore the open roads. For the elite traveler looking for luxury in their motorhome, the Newmar King Air is worth the $1.2 million price tag. Are you willing to experience the ultimate comfort and luxury of the Newmar King Air? Number 5. Newell Coach P50. Newell Coach P50 is the perfect embodiment of modern-day travel. This luxurious motorhome offers a minimalist interior that spells luxury with every inch of its design. From its beautiful porcelain-tiled floors and quartz countertops to the comfortable leather sofas and state-of-the-art stainless steel appliances, this motorhome oozes opulence. The driver's side of the motorhome offers a spacious office space, making it a perfect mobile workspace. Enjoy a smooth ride with the air-ride suspension system and a powerful 600 horsepower Cummins engine. At a price of $1.3 million, this motorhome is an investment in luxury, comfort, and convenience that is well worth the price. Number 4. Vore Travel Realm FS6. The Vore Travel Realm FS6 is undoubtedly a prime example of a luxury motorhome with top-of-the-line features. You will take pleasure in the state-of-the-art kitchen that boasts polished quartz countertops and modern appliances. The bedroom is equally impressive, fitted with a king-size bed and a beautiful bathroom, ensuring ultimate relaxation and comfort. Enjoy a high-tech entertainment system perfect for those long drives. The insulated fiberglass body guarantees a comfortable ride in any weather conditions. While indulging in all of these irresistible features, be proud to know that these all come at a high price of $2.4 million. So, if you're seeking the finest in motorhomes, the Vore Travel Realm FS6 is undoubtedly the perfect fit for you. Number 3. Featherlite Coaches Ventura Platinum Plus. Featherlite Coaches Ventura Platinum Plus is a luxury motorhome that redefines what lavish living means. Its extravagant features include marble floors, gold-plated fixtures, and a cozy fireplace, which make this RV a luxurious home. This RV is spacious and comfortable, with an open kitchen that provides you with top-quality appliances, while the cozy bedroom is designed to make you feel relaxed and at ease after a long day on the road. If you seek unmatched comfort and luxury, the Featherlite Coaches Ventura Platinum Plus is an ideal choice for you, and its price of $2.5 million reflects its exclusive materials and features. Number 2. Marathon Coach 1332. If you're in the market for an ultra-luxurious motorhome with exceptional craftsmanship and a unique design, the Marathon Coach 1332 might just be the perfect fit for you. This motorhome is constructed using the H3 model chassis from Prevost and features an electric design with shining gold accents and leather furnishings. The smart home technology adds an extra layer of convenience and sophistication, while a state-of-the-art intercom and camera system ensures increased security. Inside, you'll find a cozy salon with a fireplace, a fully equipped galley, and a master suite complete with an adjustable reclining bed and an ensuite bathroom. This motorhome is priced at a whopping $2.8 million. But its innovative features and distinctive style make it well worth the investment for those seeking unparalleled luxury on the road. Number 1. The Marquee Element Palazzo Superior. The Newell Coach P50 is undoubtedly impressive, but you haven't seen luxury until you witness the Marquee Element Palazzo Superior. This motorhome is the most expensive in the world, costing a staggering $3 million. But its futuristic technology and sleek design make it worth every penny. The Palazzo Superior's exterior is inspired by sports cars, while the interior is lined by quartz countertops, advanced sound systems, and air conditioning. The crowning feature is an automatic lift system that raises the roof to reveal a private sky lounge. The lounge is equipped with underfloor heating, stunning marble lighting, and a pop-up cocktail bar. It's like having your very own penthouse suite on wheels. Owning a motorhome allows the wealthy to create lasting memories with loved ones and experience unforgettable moments in exclusive destinations, enhancing their overall quality of life. And there you have it, the extravagant homes on wheels, motorhomes, and recreational vehicles rich people buy. We hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and leave a comment below to let us know your thoughts. Also, don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.